everyone, I hope you're doing really good. In today's video, we are going to be seeing how you can deliver a TEDx talk in the next 3 to 6 months. If you're interested, keep watching. So, did you guys know that delivering huge speeches like TEDx and posting about it on your LinkedIn is a huge step towards building your personal brand? Every time you speak at huge events like this, you automatically build your network and you spread your brand further. Speaking at events is like networking on steroids. It's that effective. Plus, it's third party validation. Like I said, if you post a video or a photo of you speaking at a big event like this, it brings so much credibility to what you have to say. It shows that other people value what you're talking about, which is why you've been invited to such a big thing in the first place. Potential clients or employers, when they come across the fact that you've spoken at events like this, find it to be a huge endorsement that pushes them to think that it's worth doing business with you. Now, how can you actually go speak at a TEDx event? The first step is to identify where the next event is happening. So, to do that, I'm going on to Google and typing TED.com TEDx events. And the first link that pops up, that's the one for us. We just go on this link. Here, you have all the events that are happening in the upcoming days. All right. So this one on December 13th, it's happening in St. Andrew's College in Mumbai. Then we've got another one happening on the 13th at Sanjivani University, again in Mumbai. We've got one in Bangalore, etc., etc. Let's say you want to explore what's happening in a specific TEDx event. Just click on the link and it will take you to the actual page where the theme of the event and the organizing team, all their details are given. So here, this event is organized by Nami Sanghani. What do? We just click on her page. We try finding her LinkedIn through this page. We've got her LinkedIn. We can go on her and send her a pitch saying, hey, I saw that there is an event happening. This is my idea. Can I speak to you about it? All right. This is how easy it is to find TEDx organizers and reach out to them. Now that you know how easy it is to actually reach out to them, let's actually understand what gets you a response. Okay. So first you have to tell them the topic on which you're going to talk about. The topic has to be a very niche topic or something really interesting which people want to hear about. All right. That is what is going to make or break your chance at speaking at an event like TEDx. And let's say you've already had a blog post or some article written about the same topic, you can share it with the organizer and have them read it. You can connect with them on all other social medias as well. And if you have any books published, if you've been on other podcasts or any other similar events, you can add that in your pitch as well and you can send it across to them. If you send a pitch to 20 to 30 organizers, you are highly likely to receive at least 2 or 3 responses from them. Now, the thing is, TEDx organizers are also on the lookout for good speakers. So, if your idea interests them, they will definitely pursue it. By the way, did you know that both our CEO Ramanuj Mukherjee and COO Abhyuday Agarwal have given their own TEDx talks? Let me tell you what they did. So Ramanuj actually didn't go and pitch to a TEDx event organizer. What he did was he used to go and speak about law to engineers in IIT, NIT, you name it. And he used to post photos and video clips from those speeches onto Facebook. And one of his Facebook connections was organizing a TEDx event at an IIM, and that is how he got invited. Isn't that brilliant? He didn't even have to pitch, but still he got to speak at a huge event like that. Now, Abhyuday, on the other hand, he got it a little differently. He happened to meet with a TEDx organizer and he was sharing his personal story with him. This story was perceived so well by the organizer that she wanted him to come and give a talk on TEDx. He posted about the same story the very next day. I'm going to show you the post as well. This was the story he was speaking about, and this is the photo that he posted that he spoke on TEDx. Isn't that insane? Now, if this gave you the perception that only CEOs or COOs can go on to TEDx, I'm going to prove you wrong again. One of the professionals we helped speak at a TEDx event was an assistant professor. His name was Dr. Neeraj Singh. He spoke about how AI was impacting his mental health, and this happened in August 2025, a very recent thing. He has completely shifted his career and now he's working with promising startups and he's introducing them to merchant bankers. So this is how you reach out to a TEDx organizer and pitch to them. Remember, you don't have to be from a specific background to do this. The only two requirements are, number one, you have to find a TEDx organizer from the website I showed you. Number two, your niche, your topic has to be unique and it has to be interesting enough for them to consider. That is it. I hope you like this one and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.